Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best hard case is probably one of the most essential investments you can make to safeguard your valuable gear, whether you're a professional photographer transporting delicate camera equipment, an outdoor enthusiast protecting sensitive electronics from the elements, or simply someone who needs robust, reliable storage for tools and instruments, ensuring everything arrives intact and functional, no matter the journey. Number 5. Condition 125 Large Waterproof Hard Case Model 839. This 25-inch hard shell carrying case offers superior protection for your gear. Its patented latches and rubberized handles ensure a comfortable and secure grip, making it easy to transport. You can also add your own locks for maximum security. Constructed from crush-resistant, virtually indestructible polypropylene copolymer, it's designed for extreme durability. Made in the USA, specifically in Texas, it guarantees robust performance in any environment. Featuring an IP67 dust and waterproof rating, this case keeps your valuables safe from the elements. An automatic air pressure release valve makes it airline-friendly, and a rubber gasket ensures an airtight seal. Inside, you'll find customizable pick and pluck foam that can be shaped to fit your specific items. This ensures a secure and snug fit, preventing movement and damage during transit. It's also stackable for convenient storage. This versatile case is ideal for a wide range of uses, from protecting electronics and music equipment to storing camping gear or tactical supplies. Whatever your adventure, it provides reliable protection. What we like. This case offers a generous interior space, perfect for larger items. Its robust construction is proudly made in the USA, ensuring top-tier quality and durability. If you need ample storage for sensitive equipment and value American craftsmanship, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted for the Condition 1 hard case. Number 4. Condition 1 Model 801 18-inch waterproof hard case. This 18-inch medium hard case is designed for ultimate portability. It features patented latches and rubberized handles, ensuring a comfortable and secure grip wherever you take it. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, it boasts an IP67 rating, making it completely dust and waterproof. Its automatic pressure release valve also makes it airline-friendly, protecting your gear from environmental changes. Inside, you'll find customizable pick and pluck foam, allowing you to create a perfect, secure fit for all your items. This heavy-duty case is also stackable and features steel pin hinges for enhanced strength. Whether you need to protect electronics, camera gear, firearms, or tools, this versatile case has you covered. It's the ideal choice for a wide range of equipment, ensuring everything stays safe and organized. Proudly made in the USA from crush-resistant, virtually indestructible polypropylene copolymer. This lockable case provides peace of mind, knowing your valuables are secured by superior craftsmanship. What we like. This medium-sized case strikes a great balance between portability and protection. It's designed with an automatic pressure release valve, making it completely airline-friendly for hassle-free travel. If you're a frequent traveler needing reliable protection for your gear, this compact yet sturdy option is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Condition 1 Hard Case Model 024. Introducing the Condition 1 Hard Case Model 024. This 25-inch large, portable storage solution offers robust protection for all your gear. It features patented latches and comfortable rubberized handles for easy transport. This lockable case allows you to add your own locks, ensuring maximum security for your precious items. Its generous exterior dimensions are 24.27 by 19.40 by 13.57 inches, providing ample space for various equipment. Experience peace of mind with its IP67 dust and waterproof rating, thanks to a reliable rubber gasket. An automatic air pressure release valve makes it perfectly airline-friendly, ready for any adventure. Inside, you'll find customizable foam that can be cut to fit your specific items, ensuring a snug and secure fit. This case is also stackable and built with steel pin hinges for added strength and long-lasting performance. Proudly made in the USA from crush-resistant, virtually indestructible polypropylene copolymer, it's constructed in Texas for maximum durability. This versatile case is ideal for electronics, tools, hunting gear, and much more. What we like. This model stands out with its exceptionally deep interior, providing extra vertical space for bulkier items. Its heavy-duty construction and lockable design ensure maximum security for your valuables. If you have tall equipment or require superior protection against impacts and theft, this deep well case is perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as per the instructions due to empty source content. Number 2. Condition 1 Model 300 Rolling Hard Case. Introducing the Condition 1 Model 300, an injection-molded hard case designed for extreme durability. It's lightweight yet virtually indestructible, ready to protect your most valuable gear. This versatile case is perfect for tactical equipment, tools, cameras, or scientific instruments. Whatever you need to transport, it keeps it safe and sound. Don't let the elements stop you. This case boasts an IP67 rating, making it completely waterproof and dustproof. It ensures your contents remain pristine, no matter the environment. Designed for convenience, it's airline approved with a TSA-approved Gore-Tex automatic air pressure valve. Its retractable handle makes navigating airports a breeze. Featuring off-road style rubber wheels, this rolling case offers superior stability and smooth transport. Its steel pin hinges further enhance its overall strength and reliability. Keep your valuables safe with its lockable ports, compatible with any padlock. The patented latches are designed for effortless, one-finger closure, ensuring quick access when you need it. What we like. This case features convenient off-road style wheels and a retractable handle, making transport effortless. Despite its large capacity, it's injection molded to be surprisingly lightweight. If you're looking for easy mobility for your heavy gear without sacrificing protection, this rolling option is a game changer. What people say. Number 1. Condition 145 Waterproof Hard Case. This 45-inch long hard case features wheels, patented latches, and rubberized handles for easy transport. It's also lockable, providing maximum security for your valuables. Designed to be waterproof and dustproof, it boasts an IP67 rating and an airtight rubber gasket. An automatic air pressure release valve makes it perfectly safe for airline travel. Inside, you'll find customizable foam that can be easily shaped to fit your specific items, ensuring a snug and secure fit. This case is also stackable and built with strong steel pin hinges. Crafted in the USA from virtually indestructible polypropylene copolymer, it's crush-resistant and built to last. Its off-road style wheels are designed to reduce vibration, protecting your gear on any terrain. This versatile hard case is ideal for a wide range of uses, from protecting electronics and camera gear to serving as a robust storage solution for camping or military equipment. It adapts to your needs. What we like. This extra-long case is specifically designed for items requiring significant length, like firearms or specialized tools. It comes equipped with durable off-road wheels for smooth transport over varied terrain. If you need to secure and transport long, delicate equipment across challenging environments, this extended rolling case is your best bet. What people say. The hard case offers robust protection for sensitive equipment. Its waterproof seal ensures contents remain dry in challenging environments. Features a customizable foam interior for a snug and secure fit of various items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.